beauties, and welcome back to my channel. For today I bring you this purple smoky eye look with a touch of green. As usual, I begin with my base, and this is the base from Louise, the Rumor 2, and I blend it all over my eyelid so all the spots are gone. Now I am going in with the dark purple of the 35B palette by Morphe, and I am packing them on. By packing, that's better with a dense fluffy brush instead of your blending brush. So just cover every little piece of skin as dark as possible. And go in with a tinier brush. This is the number 5 by Natasha Denona, and the one before that was the number 10. I am also taking the outer third and the under third of my eye with it, and just build it up with the pigment, so nothing too heavy, so the blending process is that much easier. You can see what I'm doing. Just build it up. Then I'm going in with the hot pink of the 35B palette, and I'm going to blend out the purple edge and diffuse that in the crease. But I thought it was a little bit too low, so you can see what I'm doing next is that I'm going back in with the darkest purple, and I'm going to place that higher up above my natural crease, because I want to have more color payoff. And then I'm doing that process of blending again, so swirling motions and scratching motions and maybe windshield motions are there. Then we're going in with the light green, the mint green of the Urban Decay palettes, and I'm placing that in the inner corner of my eye and the inner third of the under eye, and then I'm topping that off with the LA Girl pencil in the mint green Shockwave. Then I thought the look isn't done yet, so I'm going in with the black from the 35B palette, and I'm using one of the sides of the brush from Urban Decay. It's a really good little smudging blending brush. And I thought, okay, let me do a whole smoky eye. This isn't a planned look, I just sat down and just went for it. Every product that I'm using is down in the description box below, so you can find everything that I used over there. In this video, my camera didn't do what I wanted, so the lash application and the rest isn't here, so that's a pointer for myself for the next time. I'm blending everything out in the in the crease and now with the blending brush, so that we get that smoky effect. I really like that smokiness if the black blends really good in the purple. And just go for it, keep blending and trust the process. That's really what it takes, just trust the process. Okay, then I'm picking up the pink purple color in the palette of the Urban Decay, and I'm going right on that edge of the black and the purple where they come together and blend it even more with this shimmery eyeshadow. Then with the number 5 brush by Natasha Denona, I'm going to do the outer third in the under eye. I make it black and smoky, I just blend that out. Then we're going back in with the mint green of Urban Decay, and I'm going in until I'm satisfied with the pigmentation. And this eyeshadow on top of a black is so gorgeous. It's even nicer, but that's my opinion. I really love it. You know, I saw it in the mirror and I was like, yeah, okay, this is the right combination. So this is the finished look for today. Sorry, I don't have footage of the eyelash application. These are the eyelashes by DRVH. And I thought this was Fox, but I can be wrong. But I will put it down below in the description box. You can find everything there. If you have some suggestions or you want to see something, what I can do with eyeshadow or something else, just leave it down below in the description box. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time.